So I'm going to Fort Lauderdale for the week. I'm meeting up with Kennedy. Woo! And her family for 4th of July week or whatever weekend, but I mean, I'm gonna be there for. We may be going to Disney. I was supposed to make better time, but I got stuck in the express lane, and I do need to go to Ulta because I need my shampoo and conditioner, and then I also need. Don't I look like the guy from Meet the Robinsons? Do not clock you that I'm standing on business. Got my shampoo, conditioner. Got my favorite granola.
Travel away to the transportation and ticket center, gateway to the Magic Kingdom. Now once we get you there and you clear security.
I made it to Disney World!
On 3 hours of sleep?
Yeah. I don't think I slept last night. I was like, I kept looking up.
I was sweating. It was so hot in my room.
You moved, I woke up.
I dropped
So
on the
maybe
floor.
something's wrong with the AC or something because we were sweating.
Yeah, no.
We could not sleep.
We
It was so bad.
found a fan.
Grandma said she was sweating
Yeah.
and hot, and she's always
It was
cold.
bad.
I didn't sleep with any sheets.
I didn't sleep anything either.
laid.
I like curled up.
Got the fan. We're gonna go get coffee.
Coffee. Coffee's coffee.
I need like the bag coffee of it so that I can like bring it home and make it.
Oh, okay, yeah. I would recap you from yesterday because the last time I vlogged was when I was driving over here, and
So many things happened.
nothing happened. We were in the pool. Yeah, and then we went to the F1 movie, and I was like, this is the F1 movie.
No, you kept getting up every 2 seconds.
Yeah, I felt bad. I kept moving around, but I was like, I can't.
I was like, granted, we were like literally trash.
Yeah.
So I went through all stages of sobering up.
Yeah, and then we came home really late, and
I had a
then
migraine when I got home. I
Yeah.
was like, oh, I need to go to bed right now.
and then we didn't go to bed.
No. And then got up at 4 in the morning.
Yeah. But I passed out in the car. I hit
On
the.
the way here.
Yeah.
Yeah, 100%.
What are you getting?
Snickers frozen cappuccino.
It sounds like I'm gonna like.
Shit your pants.
Yeah.
Yeah, probably.
We got kicked out of the Tron ride. It broke down. So now we're in Space Mountain.
At least we didn't get stuck on
Yeah.
the Tron ride. Some people did. Could you imagine being like stuck in the fetal position on a ride?
I'd honestly probably just go to bed. But I really had to pee, so that would have been bad if I had to pee while I'm stuck on the ride. Wait. No, why isn't it going? I swear to God, if it broke down. I feel like I need to hold on to my hat.
Presented by Enterprise.
Suiting up.
The Disney sign goes on the back. The Disney sign goes on the back. watch the mic's gonna like. Oh, the mic. We got a Dole Whip. So good.
Not swim, so you should probably laugh. Yeah, we can work on that. It's okay. Now we are here to the Nile River. The Nile River is actually one of the longest in the world. It goes on for miles and miles and miles. It's true, it's a long river. Just to be on the left is going to be an African elephant. Fun fact about elephants, they actually have some of the best memory in the entire world. And you know what I've all been waiting for? You're now seeing the eighth wonder of the world, the Mexican
I have no memory of this. I have no memory of this, like at all.
or anything like that. You can ask any of the snippers. There's that gift shop, and oh my goodness, look, there's an elephant.
It's crazy how real it is.
It's creepy.
What? Taking a much needed coffee break. We're dead. We died.
Go, go, go!
Everybody find a spot.
I think we all have to cross.
We all have to cross. There you go, Kenny. The second it starts, we go.
Go, go!
This is rowing.
Yeah, who's gonna be the announcer or whatever they call it? The caller.
The jockey?
Yeah.
I can only stretch.
Go, go, go! You're like one hand. Don't lean back. Oh my god. Oh my god. You gotta open your own secret. Oh my god. Finally, after the entire day, hopefully we will be able to ride Tron.
Oh my gosh. Out of breath. We ran over here.
Yeah, we ran over here after the fireworks.
Wow, I needed that run.
I needed that too.
I needed it.
Yeah.
It was giving the time that you ran when we ran through the field
Oh my god.
at the same time.
Yeah.
What was that?
That was when we were going to
Oh,
Regatta.
Regatta.
Yeah. called Ama Matcha. Well, it's just me right now because I had to find parking. We like park somewhere, and then like each place we would park would be like 5 different tow-away zone signs, and I was like, I'm not gonna take my chance because, you know, I like my car. As much place, I'm excited. And then we're gonna go to Barnes and Noble because so the book I'm reading right now, it's a hardcover, and I've like literally destroyed it because I take it to the gym, I take it everywhere with me. And I'm reading The Will of the Many. It's actually really, really good. I got really good last night. And they just released the paperback, so that's what I'm going to get the paperback. And maybe I'll buy the Odyssey too because the trailer just came out. And I'm like way too excited for it. I don't even know what's back there. Are you kidding me? Like bad. I don't even know how.
Did you make? Oh, I got wet wipes.
I got Tide pens. But like this is.
We just got here.
I know, and also I don't even know how I did that. I spilled matcha all over my pants, as you can tell.
Showing the vlog.
Only me. Only me. What did everyone think, though? The matcha was good.
What?
What'd you think? Was it good? Was it worth it?
It was terrible.
So terrible, Ken couldn't even finish it. We finally made it to the place we originally wanted to go to. Like 3 hours later. I found it. Look how thick this thing is. Excited to see if this is gonna stay because it's not full. Right. Let's see. I'm the only one that wanted Pollo Tropical, so I'm going to Pollo Tropical by myself.
Starting route to Pollo Tropical.
It's about to pour. It is about to. Dude, okay. My book, The Will of the Many, so good. Like, so good. Like, I'm really, really into it now. Like, he's about to enter the academy. Spoilers. He's about to enter the academy or whatever. I'm really close to part 2. Like, I think I have like 10 pages. Hi. Can I just get the original chop or like the classic chicken with
Okay, so chicken, rice, and beans.
yeah, and then can I get a side of fried yuca with the cilantro sauce?
Or your fried yuca small large.
Small please.
Alright, anything to drink?
That's it.
Okay. $13.70.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You too. Oh. Am I gonna get back before it starts pouring? Is the real fucking question. Like, so bad. Apparently there's like a tropical storm, like literally about to hit July 4th or whatever, something like that. Tropical depression, I think that's what's called, is building up. Like, literally right where we are in Fort Lauderdale. I'm like, are you seriously? Like, hurricane season just started, like, calm down. Oh my god, the rain's getting louder. Oh my god, I have to brace the rain. Okay, here we go. Dear Lord. Oh god. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. See if they left the door open.
Oh, I was driving in the rain.
Okay, we got matcha from this place called The Seed. Holy shit. Very sweet. Yeah. Can I try yours? Yeah. I might have to pour out some of the stuff because I can't. It's really sweet.
I think yours is worse than mine.
I can't.
Pour it out just a little bit. We're standing right here. You could just go get like a regular matcha.
I don't want to spend more money.
Sure. Yeah, it's a little bit better.
I would like to taste some of the matcha.
Oh, there. Okay, it's any better.
Here's my request for this place.
I like the pink and green though.
Just looks like a throw up now.
Looks like dark purple.
Everyone's at Dunkin' apparently. America really does run on Dunkin'. Can I get it iced? Medium, please. Yeah. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too.
If you text Phoebe, she will tell you everything you can. So she knows everything about this.
Oh no, it's raining. Fat Tuesdays. We're gonna go to the beach. The sun randomly decided to come out. Like randomly.
Yeah.
Crazy. Crazy.
Hopefully it doesn't rain again.
Yeah, it probably will, but crazy tournament event.
So divas.
So
Wait, I can't even see her. Wait,
be right out in the rain.
can you see?
So, yes.
Oh,
You have your sunglasses.
my sun literally looks completely black.
Right.
What are we doing?
We're
It's raining.
documenting our moment. This is diary. As you can tell, the storm is going to rain right there.
So
but
the scary storm.
The
Show
storm
this.
is over there. It was
No,
a little.
show that one. Over
Okay,
there.
but I am.
But you're not. Storm.
You see the rain over there with the buildings? Yeah, that's over there. The lightning storm is that way, and they made us get out of the water. Happy 4th of July. It is pouring rain, like really bad lightning and stuff like that.
Hey y'all, so it's raining. Dama made us get out of the water.
Oh, we're